everyone, welcome to another video. In this video we are going to discuss LINQ's min method, okay? Let's start with a simple example. So as we saw from the theoretical example, we did the min method in a very simple collection, okay? And we expect that the outcome and the return type in this case is 1, okay? It will return 1 because 1 is indeed the min element in this collection. Now let's see this in practice. So if I create a variable called min and call this on our collections dot simple collection and just call the min method, we expect that the return here is 1. Okay, and now when we call it here, we do simple min value. Okay, here is min. We expect that the return here is 1 because 1, as I said before, is the minimum value of that collection. Now when we run it, we see indeed that what we get is what we expect, that the min value is 1. Now, also to keep in mind that if the underlying collection is empty, an exception is thrown. Okay, so when you run this with an empty collection, you see that an invalid operation exception is thrown. Okay, just have that in consideration as well. Now, let's see a more complex example, okay? So, we have this complex collection, and this complex collection holds a list of people, and we want to compute the lowest age here, which in this case is 25. Okay, how would you do that? Well, you can use the select method of LINQ to project this collection into a collection of numbers, in this case containing only age, and then call the min method on that collection. Or you can also use the min method on the complex collection itself, but using a selector. Okay, so let's do something like this. Var min equals collections dot complex collection dot min, but here we are going to pass the selector. Okay, so we are going to say, okay, compute the min of the ages here. Okay, and now let's see what we get here from this outcome. Okay, so in this case you get 25, okay, which is what we were expecting. Okay, so in some methods like the min method, the average method, you can pass a selector, which pretty much will unlike a predicate that expects to return a boolean. In this case we return a specific type, in this case an int, and yeah, so this is the selector. Okay, so that's it, all I wanted to show you from the min method. Hopefully you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.